In this video, I'll show you how to use GitHub Actions to deploy a site. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository that contains your website. Make sure your project is already uploaded to GitHub and is working correctly. Next, click the Actions tab at the top of the repository. If you don't already have a deployment workflow, choose one of the suggested templates or click Set up a workflow yourself to create a new workflow file. Now, configure the workflow to build and deploy your website. Depending on where you're hosting your site, you may need to add a few settings, such as your deployment steps or authentication details. If your hosting provider requires a token or API key, save it as a repository secret before using it in your workflow. After that, commit the workflow file to your repository by entering a commit message and clicking Commit Changes. GitHub Actions will automatically run the workflow based on the trigger you've configured, such as every time you push changes to the main branch. Next, return to the Actions tab to monitor the workflow. You can click on the latest workflow run to view each step, check the logs, and confirm whether the deployment completed successfully. Finally, once the workflow finishes, open your website using the deployment URL provided by your hosting service to verify that the latest version of your site is live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use GitHub Actions to deploy a site. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.